Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is box. A box is an A1 level noun meaning a container with flat sides. We use the word box to refer to all kinds of containers, from the cardboard ones used for moving to the decorative ones we might use to store jewelry. It's a very common word that you will hear and use every day. Let's dive a bit deeper. Think of synonyms for box. We could use the word container. For example, the container was full of toys. We can also use the word case, like the important documents were in a locked case. Then there is receptacle, which is a more formal synonym, such as please dispose of the trash in the designated receptacle. Now, let's explore the opposite meanings. Antonyms for box are not as straightforward because of its physical nature. However, we can think of things which are not containers. For example, something that is open like a plane, as in the plane stretched out before us. We could think of an item without distinct boundaries, for example, a pile, as in the clothes formed a messy pile on the floor. Also, a surface, as in the food was spread across the entire table surface. How do we use box in everyday life? Well, can you get the box from the garage? Or I need to find a storage box for these books. Or I packed the presents in a gift box. We might say think outside the box, meaning think creatively. Some examples of usage in sentences would be, the pizza came in a box, or she received a beautiful jewelry box, or I need to pack my lunch in a box before 8 a.m. And that wraps up our exploration of the word box for today. We've learned that a box is a container, and we've seen different synonyms such as container, case, receptacle, and also opposite ideas like plane, pile, surface. Remember to use this word in your daily conversations to help you remember it. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And now, I encourage you to create your own sentence about box and share it as a comment under this video. Let's learn together.